Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular begins in just 10
is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween!
Friends, it's wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Ah, yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? There you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better give that treat that's good to eat if you want to be free. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Raise up a fuss. If you want your part with something sweet, you better be sweet to us.
Oh, Mickey, I just love trick or treating. All the costumes
and the candy.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Scary? Well, maybe more not so scary, Donald. Let's go!
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, all night we're so it goes and goes by the store. Ring the bells from the door. Better not be scared to go. Your nightmares will vanish. Trick or treat.
Hey, look! A dog!
It's a ghost dog.
His collar says Zero.
I think Zero wants us to follow him into that house.
Oh, I know, house. That house doesn't look very inviting.
This house is spooky.
Goofy, stop shaking.
I'm not shaking.
Well, if that's not you, then, who is it?
bones.
That music, it's so familiar.
It's coming from behind that door. The ghost masquerade.
No, they were beautiful.
You said it.
This place isn't so spooky after all.
Yikes!
What's happening?
Now it's getting scary.
What have we here? You're in our world now, and it took his turn to boogie.
tale filled with playful tricks and frightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
Dearest trick-or-treaters, we thank you for joining us for Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular. As you carry on with your evening, we hope you continue to experience the playful treat next Friday.